So today we're gonna wash the car with these two products. So the Green Star will be for the pre-wash and the Gentle Snow Foam will be for the washer. So this is the first time I'm trying this product, so let's see how it does. So as you can see, this will be this is the condition of the car. See, there's a lot of watermark, and then we will see what it does after the wash. So this is the foam cannon that I'll be using. I'll start off with the pre-wash first. So in this product, it is saying that the dilution ratio is a 1:5 to 1:30 here. So maybe I'll go with 1:20. So with this 1 liter foam cannon, I'll probably fill up to 500 ml for the pre-wash, and then 1:20 dilution ratio is around maybe 25 ml of the product. So this is my measuring. Since the lowest one is a 50, I'll put around here. I think it's a 25 ml. So pour in. Okay, let's add water. Okay, so now as you can see, I'm not sure if you're able to see, but now it's around 500 ml of water. Okay, mix it well. Let's try out. Okay, as you can see, I think something is wrong, either with my dilution ratio or my spray gun. Seems to be quite not so thick. Yeah. But let's rinse it off and see. Maybe wait for a few minutes. So after the rinse, I can see the stains are still here. But yeah, maybe my dilution ratio was wrong in the first place, since it's my first try. So yeah, let's continue with the soap, which is this. So now let's continue with this, the Koch Chemie GFX for the wash. I try not to make the same mistake again. So for the wash, I think I'm gonna go with full 1 liter, 1000 ml. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm not sure whether it focused, but it says, yeah, but literally it's saying that 20 ml of snow foam into 1 liter of water. So since my foam cannon is 1 liter, so it's 20 ml. Maybe this is how I'll pour a little bit more. It smells nice. So 20 ml. Okay, here. Okay, into my bottle. And let's fill it up. So I'm gonna start with 1 tires each. Just this. Okay, this time seems better. So I don't really have really proper tools now, but I think it did quite well. See, the foam is now more thick and it's sticking onto the car. Yeah. So I'm gonna continue the next wheel. Okay, so now that the wheels are done, let's continue with the car. Wash my car with the wash mitt. Okay, so if you see here, it is actually foaming quite well. So now let's rinse. So I'm gonna dry the car with this towel. So as you can see, this towel, just one quick wipe, it's already dry. But if I have two people to just pull it like that, it'll be faster. So yeah, I think I'm happy with the result. You can see the watermarks are not there anymore. Yeah, not bad. Yeah, gonna clean my wheels after.